Have you ever tried to visit your favorite website and it just wouldn't load? Maybe to play a game or watch a video? You hit refresh. Nothing. You check your Wi-Fi, it's totally fine. Everything else works. But that one site is just gone. It's super frustrating, right? What if I told you it might not be an accident? It could be an invisible attack, a digital siege, happening right now. This isn't science fiction, it's a real and growing threat. Understanding these dangers helps protect us, our businesses, and the fabric of the internet. Today, we're diving into one of the most disruptive cyber threats, the DDoS attack. We'll break it down with simple ideas and fun analogies, who, what, why, and how, so you can spot it and know how to defend against it. Let's get started. Let's break it down. What does DDoS even stand for? DDoS means distributed denial of service. Denial of service is the goal. Make the service unavailable to real users. Like hanging a big closed sign on your favorite ice cream shop, while it's actually open inside. Distributed means it comes from many places, hundreds, thousands, even millions, all at once. Picture a coordinated flash mob packing the entrance so no one else can get in. That's the distributed part in action. It's an overwhelming, coordinated swarm of traffic. Targets include websites, single servers, or entire networks. The server is like one receptionist answering a million fake calls. The real ones never get through. A DDoS isn't about stealing passwords or cards. Its mission is pure disruption, a digital blockade using junk traffic to clog the pipes. Imagine a website as a popular theme park. There's a single entrance gate. On a normal day, cars arrive steadily. The attendant, your server, checks tickets and waves them in. Everything runs smoothly. Now a hacker wants to shut it down. They summon thousands of cars, the distributed part. All head to the same entrance, then ask long, pointless questions and idle there. The road gridlocks for miles. The attendant is overwhelmed by bogus visitors. Real customers, you, are stuck and locked out. That's a DDoS. The server wastes memory, CPU, and bandwidth on junk requests until it slows to a crawl or crashes. The service is denied to real users. So where do attackers get this giant army of computers? They build a botnet, a network of malware-infected devices they control. A single botmaster can command them all. These are everyday devices, owners usually have no idea. Infection paths include malicious attachments, fake installers, and unsafe sites. The malware waits silently for orders. With one command, thousands send traffic at once. Attackers supercharge traffic with amplification and reflection, like ordering 1,000 pizzas to your victim using their number. Small request, massive delivery. Online, small spoofed requests to public servers trigger big responses redirected at the victim. Multiply that by thousands of bots, and you get a data tsunami hundreds of times larger. Amplification hides the true source, making attacks more powerful and harder to stop. Why go through all this trouble? Motives range from childish pranks to serious conflicts. Common motive in gaming, revenge or competitive advantage. A sore loser might knock a game server or an opponent offline. Money matters. Digital extortion with pay-to-stop ransom demands. Unethical firms may attack competitors during major sales. Ideology. Hacktivists target high-profile sites to make a statement. Or a DDoS as smokescreen while another team quietly steals data. Immediate impact. The site becomes unavailable and users are stuck. For businesses, downtime means lost revenue, sometimes millions. Churn rises as customers lose trust. Reputation damage can outlast the outage. Hits on hosting or DNS providers cause collateral damage across many sites. It shows how interconnected and fragile our digital ecosystem is. From streams to shops, DDoS can ruin big moments in seconds. Public service announcement: launching a DDoS is a serious crime. Laws like the CFAA prohibit unauthorized interference and damage. Penalties include heavy fines and prison. Booter and stressor services are DDoS for hire. Using them is illegal. Law enforcement seizes these services and prosecutes operators and users. We study this to defend, not to attack. Good news, there are smart defenses. For sites, use professional DDoS mitigation, a digital bouncer filtering junk traffic. They absorb huge floods with bigger, smarter capacity. CDNs distribute content and reduce single points of failure. Harden firewalls and coordinate with your ISP's protections. For everyone, strong passwords, beware downloads, and keep systems updated so your devices never join a botnet. We saw how invisible sieges disrupt the services we rely on. DDoS, Schatzigkeits, distributed denial of service, not theft, pure disruption. Analogy, fake cars jam the gate, junk traffic clogs digital pipes. Botnets, armies of zombie devices, do the heavy lifting. Amplification turns small queries into massive waves. Motives, revenge, extortion, protest, and distraction. Damage, lost revenue, broken trust, and collateral outages. Launching a DDoS is illegal with severe consequences. Defend with DDoS mitigation, CDNs, ISP filtering, and tight firewall rules. Your role: strong passwords, caution with downloads, stay updated. Understanding DDoS makes you a smarter digital citizen. If this helped, smash like, subscribe, and share to keep your community safe online. Stay smart and safe out there.